Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade honey jelly. Measure your honey and pectin to start. Warm honey gently in a heavy saucepan, then whisk in pectin until fully dissolved. Add lemon juice and bring to a rolling boil over medium heat while stirring constantly. Skim foam, test set on a chilled plate, and adjust acidity if needed. Cool slightly before filling jars to leave headspace and seal tightly for storage. Heat the honey, pectin, and lemon mixture evenly over medium-high heat and bring it to a full rolling boil. Keep stirring so the sugars do not scorch and the pectin activates uniformly. Time the boil per pectin instructions while maintaining that steady, powerful boil. Watch for the change in viscosity and perform the chilled plate test to confirm set. Once achieved, remove from heat quickly to stop cooking and prepare jars for filling. Use a hot ladle to fill sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch headspace to allow expansion. Wipe the rims clean with a damp cloth, apply lids, and tighten bands before processing jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended time. Remove and cool undisturbed. Lids should pop to seal within hours. Store labeled jars in a cool, dark place for months and refrigerate after opening for best flavor and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.